my chest, going insane, but I...
Today we're going to show you some 3D printing that we have done. This is a metallic hummingbird that we did. It's done in multiple pieces. Here is some flowers we've done also. We've done the vase, also the stem, and the flowers were done. We do these all in multi-pieces. Here's a look at another one that we did. This is a multicolored bulldog that we printed. Here's another bulldog we also printed. This was done on the Cobra S1. It was painted by hand. There's a Rottweiler that we did, also painted by hand. Here's another hummingbird. This one was hand painted. Here's a flexi leopard, also hand painted. We also have a black cat, which is a flexi cat. My daughter wanted this because it looks a lot like her cat. Here's the T-Rex, also flexi. We have the flexi sea turtle. Here's a wolf. This one was hand painted. Here's a flexi fox. This one was done on the S1 Cobra. It was multicolors. Got a couple kitty cats here that we did. These were done on multicolors on the S1 Cobra. Here's some lizards that we done, flexi lizards. Some of the flexi fox. These were done with the metallic filament, rainbow variety. These were also done on the S1 Cobra. Here's some socket buddies that we did. Unicorn. Another unicorn we also did. Got a Triceratops here. These are fidgets. This is the Vortex fidget. Did quite a few of these. The kids like them. This is also another fidget we did. Okay, we're going to demonstrate how the Vortex fidget works. Here's another color. All right, you can do many combinations of the Vortex fidget. We did most of these Vortex fidgets on the Cobra S1. We found it works a lot better and finishes the print because they're a little higher up. These are some of the Vortex spinners or fidgets that we did. A lot of different colors here. Some are metallic, some are just regular, yellow, different colors. Here's some of the Flexi Foxes that we've done. Got really good details. 3D printer does really well with these. It was just a single filament, rainbow variety, metallic, most of them. Here's a group of the lizards. Some of them that we did all together here. This is one of the printers we use, Anchor Make. Also the Anycubic Cobra S1. We also have another one. These ones work really well for multi-print, but they do take a very long time.